Rồi giới thiệu đi.
Hello, my name is Benzo. What's this book? Peppa or Friend? Yes, it's Peppa and George. I have three. It's the Grandpa Pig boat and Hippo and Dress Up. Which one we pick? Which one is the hiccup? That one is the number 2. Let's read. Nay, Peppa.
Đấy, con đọc đi.
Nay, Peppa, George, Mommy and Daddy are having breakfast. It is a lovely sunny day. Peppa and George can't wait to go in the garden to play. Peppa, Mommy, please can we go out to play? Mommy, you can go outside. Mommy, you can go out to play when you finish your breakfast. Daddy, George, don't drink your juice too quickly. Let George drink his juice too quickly. And now he had hiccup. Peppa, can we go out to play now? Mommy, not with George have hiccup. Peppa, but George hiccup had gone. Mommy, had they George? Mommy, oh, you can go outside, out and play, but look at George. Nay, Peppa and George love play in the garden. Peppa, George, I got to the ball, and then you have to catch it. Peppa, George, Peppa, please stop hiccup. Peppa, George, now you go the ball to me, and I have to catch it. Peppa, George, nay, oh dear. George hiccup saw the game. Peppa, George, I have to hiccup. You'll have to do what I say. Run the top of your head and round your tummy. Good now. You hiccup have gone. Nay, Peppa, for hiccup don't seem to have working. Peppa, George, you have done it all wrong. I hold the bread word to hiccup. Jump up and down 3 times on leg. Peppa, now when your arm up and down and stick your tongue out. Peppa, and now close your eyes and tummy round quickly. That time, nay, Peppa, neck hat working, and George still has hiccup. Peppa, I now choose hiccup. The I piggy much bigger. I sure. George, I'm going to scare you. Peppa, but you're much rough. It's all a game and it will stop your hiccup. Right. This is just pretend. Scared. George. Wow. Mommy. Peppa, you're much they so rough with George. His old little Peppa. Sorry, Mommy. I will just try to stop George. Hiccup. Nay. George Hiccup had gone. Nay. Here comes Daddy Pig with 2 grateful juice. Mommy, George, is your drink too quickly? You will get hiccup again. Peppa, I'm not a little George. I can drink juice quickly. I am 1, 2. This is the end of Peppa and George Hiccup.
Hiccup.
And what's that? Which one is Grandpa Pig boat? Yes,